So I made some loaded nachos that I freshly made from tortillas, little corn street tortillas, and that was like $2.50. And I just used the pecan chili that I used on the corn dogs the other day, and also I had Ackee cheese left over. I grilled up some onions and some mushrooms, and let's see how it goes. Oh, and I put a little kimchi on it because I'm fancy.
Welcome to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner for 20 bucks. And today we are doing loaded nachos. And what I really like about this, it made me use up the rest of the walnut pecan chili and the Ackee cheese that I had left over from the carrot dogs that I made a couple days ago. And that's what the good thing is about these $20 meals, is that there's always food left over, which can make another meal. You just let your imagination run wild and however it motivates you. But yes, this came out amazing. It was a quick dinner, quick snack, or however you want to eat it. But nachos, you can never go wrong. As long as it packs a punch and as long as it has a lot of flavor, it is everything. And yes, I'm sprinkling it over with a little bit of scallion.